7 Things you should not do during a divorce. Divorce often comes with a rush of emotions, from grief and anger to relief and hope for a fresh start. Yet even in such a difficult season, how you act can shape not only the process but also the court's decisions. Every step you take can carry consequences, which is why it's vital to approach divorce with care and strategy. When facing the end of a marriage, you may feel tempted to make quick choices or react emotionally. But divorce law requires a measured approach. Courts look closely at behavior, finances, and the ability of each spouse to foster stability for children. Actions like concealing assets, harassing your spouse, or moving out of the family home without advice can all affect the outcome. Seeking counsel from a qualified lawyer ensures you understand your rights and responsibilities before making major moves. A divorce case is not simply about emotions, it is a legal process that governs property division, custody, and support. New York courts follow equitable distribution, meaning assets are divided fairly, though not always equally. Judges also decide custody based on a child's best interests, which takes into account parental behavior and stability. Any action that undermines trust or suggests financial irresponsibility can sway rulings on both assets and custody. That is why attorney guidance is crucial from the very start. One of the first and most damaging mistakes is attempting to transfer, conceal, or retitle assets. Hiding money or accounts damages your credibility before the court and can create serious setbacks in the division of property. Even taking on new debt in your spouse's name is viewed harshly. Instead, the proper step is requesting temporary court orders if you fear reckless spending. Transparency protects your position and builds trust with the court. Another common error is hostile communication with your spouse. Angry texts, threats, or involving children in disputes can lead to legal consequences. Courts frown on harassment and may consider such behavior when awarding custody. Parents are expected to cooperate and shield children from adult conflicts. Using kids as messengers or exposing them to negative talk about the other parent not only harms them emotionally but can also hurt your standing in custody discussions. Some divorcing spouses forget that divorce is, at its core, an economic transaction. Choosing to fight endlessly for emotional vindication can drain finances and prolong pain. Mediation often helps couples reach settlements that last longer and avoid unnecessary costs. Those who stay focused on the financial picture usually come through the process with more stability. Starting a new relationship during the proceedings is another pitfall. While it may feel like the marriage is long over, dating too soon can cause multiple problems. Courts may impose restrictions if children are introduced to new partners. A spouse may become more combative, leading to higher legal bills and longer cases. Spending marital funds on a new partner can be used against you, and in some situations, dating can even raise allegations of adultery that influence spousal support rulings. Waiting until the divorce is final avoids these risks. In today's digital age, posting on social media during a divorce can be disastrous. Images of lavish spending, travel, or questionable behavior have been used in court to argue against custody or financial claims. Even deleting posts can be seen as destroying evidence. Think carefully before posting anything, because online content can easily resurface. Equally important, never hide details from your divorce lawyer. Your attorney can only defend you if they know the full picture. Surprises in court, such as undisclosed debts or prior conduct, can be far more damaging than sharing the truth with your legal team ahead of time. Honesty allows your lawyer to prepare effective strategies. Perhaps the most significant mistake is moving out of the marital home prematurely. Leaving can be seen as abandonment, which may harm custody rights and financial arrangements. Courts may view it as relinquishing your role in the household. Even if you move for practical reasons, you could still be responsible for household expenses while also supporting a new residence. Before leaving, consult with your attorney to fully understand the risks and potential outcomes. Ultimately, divorce requires patience, planning, and careful choices. Acting out of impulse may feel satisfying in the moment but can cost dearly in court. With the right approach and guidance, you can protect your interests and work toward a fair and lasting resolution. If you are navigating a divorce in New York City, support is available. Juan Luciano Divorce Lawyer offers clear legal guidance and representation to help you move forward with dignity and security. Call 212-537-5859 or visit the office at 347 Fifth Avenue, STE 1003, New York, New York, 10016.